Hello, guys.
Hello.
Okay, traditionally we'll wait for 1 more minute and let's start. Okay, let's begin. So we have a very short agenda for today. Unfortunately, the team that was going to present the IDO contest and the vision of development of this section, so they didn't manage to join us today, but they for sure will join next time. And in between, so they will publish a draft of the IDO launchpad contest. So they for sure will drop the link in the chat and on the forum too, and we'll explain in details on the next call. So I will not spoil it for now, and we will have a possibility to discuss next time. So let's start with the traditional contest updates then. So first of all, I would like to congratulate the winners of the Oracle's contest. There was only one submission from the Provenda team, and it passed the quorum, hopefully for the first time, and got the minimum threshold and all together. So congratulations, guys. So you managed to do this. So, but still there's a big amount of work to do. So for sure there will be the second iteration of the contest, including the economical part and more precise understanding on the decentralization standpoint. And yeah, so there are still some points to improve that can be done in the next step. The second update is about the DEX contest. So actually the submission period is over. So and we have 11 days to vote with 5 submissions. So please, jurors, have a look on them. And guys who have submitted for the DEX contests, I expect you to run the AMA session or at least post a video demo of your solution to facilitate jurors' work. So please DM me when you're ready to run the AMA session. So you can do this all together or one by one. So we still have plenty of time. Let's do this starting from tomorrow. So who is ready to be first? So you can do this. If you are ready to do this today, so we have a lot of time, so you can do this today. And as for the SSI implementation contest, there are still 8 days for submissions. After that, we will be voting for those who submit. So please do not wait until the very last moment for not to miss the deadline. That's it for updates about contests. Do you have some questions or discussion on top of this? No, okay. So then just for the fun fact, so I'll just drop you some updates about the economic activity in the DeFi sector today. So what we have on TonSwap, actually we have reached $27.3 million in TVL, and we expect it to grow rapidly after the second version of the bridge is fully functional and have interfaces. With 27.5 TVL locked at farms. So obviously almost 95 to 97% of the total TVL at TonSwap is currently locked in farming. And some extra is on top because of the Uniswap LP tokens that are also locked there. And over the recent 24 hours, there was a turnover for over 500K in dollar equivalent. So with 1.5 million in the past 7 days. By the way, I'm really thinking about having some data worksheet that is updated on a weekly basis that shows the activity in all the network and guys who are developing the DEXs. So if you can submit this information to me as well, so we will include this in the aggregated data sheet and post it together with the DeFi Alliance's updates on the DeFi sector news. And also, what I want to do to add to our weekly calls is some digest about the recent updates of the DeFi products that we have launched in the Freeton. So please, dear teams, so if you have some major updates, you have something to tell what you're proud of, so please ping me in advance, so I will include your updates in the digest. So that's actually pretty it for today. So nothing more to say. So, and if you have any additional topics that you forgot to tell me before, so please. So I see Andors is saying something in the chat. What's the name of the contest that was about to be announced? Yeah, it's the contest about the launch pads actually. So initial DEX offering in Freeton. Yeah, IDO, right. Absolutely. This is something not really new for the DeFi world, but still, if we want to attract a lot of projects and let them start from the right network, I mean Freeton, of course. So we need to provide them with the tool sets that will facilitate the launching of the project and interacting with investors and so on and so forth. It's not an easy task. So and Andor, I know that you had some experience in the past, yeah. So in terms of ICO, so I think you can be an expert in this, and for sure I expect you to participate in the draft in the contest.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. I had some experience, and it was fun, but it's really hard.
It's definitely hard, and in the ideal sector, especially with the tough pressure by the regulation, government regulation. So now we should be extremely cautious when we form such contests and when requesting people to develop such platforms. But hopefully, so we already have at least several teams that are ready to participate in this contest, and so one of the teams will be presented next time that they promised, and 3 more to come. Maybe they will also, at least 1 or 2 more will be able to join our call and tell about themselves. So and if you, and Andor, if you also plan to participate, so you can start thinking already about what can be improved. I hope that we will draft the contest very soon. Very soon mean that by end of tomorrow, and post it for community review to the forum. So please also join, share your valuable comments. Yeah. Okay. Anything else to discuss, guys, please? Okay, I will be in Dubai the week starting from actually October the 10th till October the 16th. So if you happen to be there also, so just text me. So let's meet. So there will be.
What's happening?
There are actually happening 2 conferences. One is WOW conference. It's about mostly fintech and investor relations and some other sectors, so just a good mix. Mitja probably is present there too, if I remember it well.
Yes, I am.
Yeah. And another one, I forgot its name. It's something abbreviated, so it's more about the fund related conference. So we will be presenting also the Freeton and discussing about the DeFi sector from the DeFi Alliance. So yeah, Mitja, you wanted to say something?
Yeah, I actually wanted to talk about, like to ask about the DEX contest, and should we present the
Please, sure.
solution, like not like schedule the
You're ready to
presentation?
present.
Well, right now I don't think so. Let me ask. We were, but I didn't think that we were going to present today, so we didn't kind of prepare.
No,
But,
it's
we can
absolutely
schedule.
fine that yeah. So let's schedule the demo, because what I see is that when you have AMA session, like Prevent the Team, for example, significantly helps people to vote at least vote and understand what they are voting for. So because not everyone was able to join, but at least when you can listen to the recording, so it really helps.
With pleasure.
Very good.
Let's schedule. Maybe
I would love to
week,
hear you tell about the DEX.
Yeah.
Preferably earlier than later, of course. So Monday, I think, will be ideal choice to schedule. At least I have my personal schedule quite loose on Monday, so I have some time now.
Monday is a tough day usually.
Or maybe we can schedule it on Tuesday.
Maybe after the governance call or something.
Yeah, good choice. You see, already some time slots are being booked. So guys, please don't put aside.
Will there be a presentation of Flex order book exchange, or will there be also a MM presentation?
Both.
Fine.
Ivan, by the way, you promised me to post your submission to the Oracle's contest, and
yes,
I didn't see it.
Yes, I did, but I changed my mind.
Oh wow! Okay, it happens.
Sorry.
Why?
Well, that's just because I just didn't want kind of code. I just didn't want to rest. I am now in Croatia, and
you moved.
This is for yeah. I moved to Croatia. No, for not so long time, but I'm not really ready to code now.
Okay, I see. No worries. Okay, absolutely fine. So all good. Mitja, by the way, did you know that there is a token named Mitja Moon created already
Finally.
and available?
Finally.
Yeah, Mitja Moon. Is it you who created it?
Thank you for not calling me Mitja-san, because that would be awful.
You know, it was the first idea that came to my mind, that why not Mitja soon?
That's horrible.
So
soon is fine,
it's horrible.
not sun.
Okay. Yeah, in fact, we have seen quite a drastic interest in the tokens creation. So I see over 150 tokens being created over the past 2 weeks. So some of them with quite fun names like Mitja Moon or DUSA, like tokenized something. National debt of USA. So quite fun. Yeah, and I definitely hope that it will really help people to create the projects and base the smart contracts on Freeton and boost the network development. All right, any other topics to discuss, guys, please? Okay, in this case, traditional countdowns, 3, 2, 1, nothing. Okay, thank you guys for coming. Sorry for today's short agenda. Yes, I'll see you next time. I hope next time it will be more full. Okay, bye-bye, guys.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.